Vision Board Tutorial. Welcome to the Vision Board tutorial. This file contains 4 tabs, carefully organized to support your visualization and manifestation journey. Vision Board, the main space for visualization practices and goal setting. Sacred Journal, 2 tabs dedicated to recording prayers, energy cleansing baths, affirmations, and manifestation techniques. How does the Vision Board work? Vision Board tab. There are 36 boards within the Vision Board, each designed to structure and manifest your desires. Fixed sidebar. The left side columns provide a summary of your Vision Board data. Mind Fuel. 2 cells dedicated to affirmations or inspirational prayers to start your daily practice. Resume. An analytical overview of your goals and progress. Inspiration Hub. A space to record research, books, channels, blogs, and other resources that inspire you, along with quick access links. How to fill out your Vision Board. Categories. The Vision Board includes 12 life categories, but you can customize it as needed. Visualization. Insert a representative image of your desire. The more detailed, the better. Time frame. Define the start and end dates of your visualization for tracking. Sacred Journal. This is just a preview of the tutorial. Get the full template through the link in the description and unlock the complete step-by-step guide. It's easy, intuitive, and designed to make your manifestation practices more powerful and effective than ever.